in my eyes, Keegan. Look me in my goddamn fucking eyes. Don't you ever scum as me again. Shout out to your mum, the saint. https://www.
Got you.
It's the one we have. It's just like a blue one. You have the dope red, white, and blue one. That's just a hoodie, right? Yeah, I have that one too. Gotta get the cotton candy jersey. That one's pretty lit, honestly. June's new emotes. Oh my god. Bambi, never do that again. We cannot. June V plus June R. That is actually banned. That is actually banned from everything. Oh my god. And
He killed the minion. He killed the fucking knight that I was gonna Q to. And now I don't have wrath. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna clear top and get our knights out.
No, I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
Everyone.
Just stay dead.
Yeah. Just stay dead, guys.
Not because your res is useful, but because you don't fucking do anything anyways.
Dang, this guy went in. He went in. He went in. Oh dang, okay. Bye team. He went in. Oh